Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this today's new video. Today I am going to discuss about the website known as cloudwithyou.com. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its most important features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So as I have mentioned before, today I'll be talking about this website which is actually a retail web store known as cloudwithyou.com. As you can see, I have opened the web page. Basically, this website offers products, various products such as clothes, then gadgets and shoes, socks, etc. So as you can see, this is the web page. Let's go to the tab and see. Let's go to all products. Here they display all their products, basically from top to bottom. So let's open this first product, which is a hat cum scarf set. So as we come down, you can see they have given the price. There are various colors, the quantity. They have given offers as well. They have given videos and basically the whole description of it. There is even a demo video, as you can see, and the list goes on. So talking about payment, they have given a payment method section over here. Let's have a look at it. So basically here, as per my research, they accept PayPal as well as credit and debit cards, but here they mostly prefer PayPal as they mentioned that it is a very secure way to place your orders, and they've also given a demo how to place it. And when it comes about shipping, they offer international shipping, and within the based state they offer shipping within 5 to 10 business days, whereas if it is international shipping then it takes about 2 to 3 weeks depending on the place. Now let's go back to the home page. So let's move forward. Let's have a look if this website is actually legit or not. But before that, I would request all of the viewers to please like this video, share this video and also subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. So let's continue without wasting any much time. So as I have mentioned in my previous videos also, that first I have to check whether the website is secure and safe to use, and the only method to check whether it's secure is to see if the website contains HTTPS. So let's check. Yes, as you can see it contains HTTPS, which means it is very safe and secure to use.
Cloudwithyou.com website was registered on 23rd July 2020.
Now let's go further. As I said earlier, payment, they use PayPal or credit, even accept credit or debit cards. But one thing which is lacking is that they don't offer cash on delivery, which can be a minus point for it. Let's move ahead and see if they provided any contact details. Contact us. Basically here, as you can read, they have given you a support email ID which you can contact if you have any queries, but they have also given you this support system in which you have to mention your name, your email, your phone number and the message regarding the query and send it to you, and they will contact you as soon as possible. So as you can see, here are all the products displayed. Well, talking about the return and the refund policy, they have a section for it. Here see return policy. In this return policy, basically they have said that they accept orders within 30 days of the date you have purchased from, which means like you get only 30 days to return. If it exceeds more than 30 days, they do not accept it. And they have also mentioned that you can cancel the product, but if the product is already shipped or moved from the warehouse, then it cannot be cancelled. Returns are applicable if the product is received damaged or if it is defective. But they have also mentioned certain conditions, like the product should be as it is, like how they had sent it. You cannot use it, and they won't accept usable products. In a refund, they have said that first they will take the product back. Their team will have a look at it whether it is in the same condition as they shipped it, and if it is found something suspicious, like if you all have used it, then they will not accept your refund policy. They will cancel it. Now let's move ahead. Basically, till now there are no reviews over the internet about this particular website, as this website was just recently launched 3 months back, that is on 23rd July 2020. So there are no such reviews, and there is a review option available in the website itself, but yet no one has reviewed the product. And when you talk about website content quality, yes, the content quality is okay, the pictures are okay, everything seems fine, and they even showed some demo videos for customers to have a more look at it. So with this we come to an end of the video, and with this I conclude that this particular website, we cannot say anything much about this as it is just launched 3 months back. No reviews as well. So if you are planning to purchase anything from this website, please do make a proper research and then only order it. With this I come to an end of the video. So viewers, we read all your comments on every video, so please keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.